At Reed Mackay, we have an amazing events team that work across the globe, and whether you are looking for the absolute perfect venue to make your content shine, whether you're trying to move a group of people across the globe from all sorts of different locations, or whether you want a full event management service that's going to bring your event to life from concept through to delivery, from AV to finding the venue to supporting with that content and promotion, we have a brilliant team here to help.
So at Reed Mackay, we go above and beyond for our clients by making sure that we always have a consultative approach for any inquiry that comes in. We see our clients as an extension of our team, or as we're an extension of their team essentially. So depending on what their needs, we always make sure that we've got some ideas and suggestions, think outside of the box, maybe things that they may not have thought of, just to make sure that we're bringing forward the best ideas for their events.
Once we take an event from someone, that person works with you all the way through. So although they'll be coordinating in the background, it's one point of contact. The second thing is the Reed Mackay buying power that we have as Reed Mackay and Navan. So we can negotiate those deals. And I think, our ability to really want to deliver and exceed expectations, so that world-renowned Reed Mackay service.
The types of events that we support are wide-ranging. We look after everything from global training programs to incentives to partner conferences, product launches. If you've got a group of people that you need to bring together for one common cause, then we have a solution for you.